Hello friends, today we will discuss about subqueries in MySQL. There are basically various aspects of subquery in MySQL. We can have subquery in where clause, we can have subquery in select clause, we can have subquery in from clause also. In this video, we will discuss about subquery in where clause. So, let us see the syntax for that first. So, the syntax for that will be select and then column name from table name, where column name equals to some query. Fine. So, that will be a subquery. So, from query it will fetch some data and that will be provided to a column, and based on that column it will be given to the that will be the input for the table, or that will be the condition for filtering the data from the table. Fine. So, now let us begin with the example. Suppose I am having one table that is called company, and in that company I am having an employee table, and I want the details of the employee whose salary is greater than the average salary of all the employees. Fine. So, fine. In this case, what we can do is, say we will have select star from employee, where now what I want is, I want the employees whose salary is greater than average salary. Fine. So, I need to compare employee's salary, and then that employee's salary should be greater than. Now, over here I am going to provide a subquery. So, that will be select average employee salary from employee. Fine. So, this is my query, and in this query what it is going to do, this particular query is going to provide the average salary from employee table, and that will be compared with employee salary, and again that will be an the filtering condition for this query. Fine. And let us see the result of this. So, here I got the result where the employee's salary is greater than the average salary of all the employees. Fine. So, this way we can use a subquery. Again, let us see one more example. Suppose I am having one table that is called deposit table, and in deposit table I am having the list of depositors. Fine. Now, in this I want to find out the customers who have opened account in the same branch in which Madhuri has opened account. Fine. I don't know the branch name of Madhuri. I want to find out the customers or depositors who have opened account based on the name of some other customer. Fine. So, I want to find out the branch based on the name of customer. I am not aware of the branch in which Madhuri has opened account. Fine. So, how can we find it out? So, for that we can use a subquery. So, that will be like select star from deposit, where B name, we want to find out a B name. Fine. B name equals to, now over here I need to provide a subquery. So, that will be select B name from deposit, where C name equals to Madhuri. Fine. So, this particular query is going to find out the branch name of Madhuri, that will be compared with this B name, and that will be a filtering condition for select star from deposit table. Fine. Now let us see the result of this. Okay, so this way we can use a subquery in where clause, and in upcoming videos we will discuss how can we use a subquery in from clause as well as the subquery in select clause. Thank you very much.